Well, good morning. I haven't shot a photograph in months, absolutely months. I haven't made a video in months. Well, I'm back in the car now, it's 10 o'clock and I can actually see less now than I could when I got here. I haven't taken a photograph or made a video in months. 6 months maybe, might be even longer, I don't know. I can see one of them now, they're both still there. Let's go see if I can get some pictures. Yeah, that'll be a no then. If I would start sorting my cameras out again. They've flown off. Now I've looked at them on the computer screen, it's clear that, and ironically, the one I thought was the best one I took all day, the J, turned out to be the worst one. Well, good morning. I'm literally standing by a lake. In front of me and behind me is the M54. I'm in Shropshire and it's a lake I've been to before a couple of times. So I just thought I'd come today because I've got to try out my new gimbal, as you can see here. This is the Benro gimbal, which I've managed to purchase because I was 60 this week, which was great. I had a fantastic week. So I thought I'd come and try it out. Now at the moment there is basically gulls, tufted ducks, a couple of great crested grebes. So not a lot going on at the moment, but I'm just going to stick it out for a bit and see if anything turns up or if I can get some decent shots. And as I say that, there's a buzzard going overhead, so there's stuff about anyway. But so yeah, so we'll see what we can get. But it was mainly about coming out to try the gimbal out really, get used to that. This has been a long time in coming, this video. This has been a long time coming, this video, for various reasons which I think I've explained already. So it's just nice to get back out and get the camera out again and actually do some stuff. It's been sadly lacking in my life. Anyway, let's see.